Welcome guys. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your ALCATEL freebie, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data. So let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and get application name CLONEit. It's really easy to use and you don't have to pay for it, so it's really worth to get it. And get it also on the second smartphone. Right now when you got both apps on the both smartphones, open it on the devices. Right now click sender on your Android phone. Click set, turn on location and then just go back. Click sender one more time. On ALCATEL quick receiver, click allow. And here we have also turn on location. Click receiver, tap search again. We have to click on this Android share icon. And we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So we have to pick a way. I'm going to scan the code. So click, tap allow, grab your phone and put the frame into the QR code. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons. And when you finish, just tap on the start. But if you want to get some details, you have to click here. And I'm going to show you the example on the music. So I'm going to select all of the files. Here, tap start. Okay. And as you can see, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.